No one talks about this. But the chase for the perfect round is one of the most destructive mindsets in golf. You don't need a flawless 18, you need presence. Because perfectionism sounds like high standards, but it plays like fear. It tells you, if it isn't perfect, it's failure. And the moment you miss a fairway, lip out a putt, or make one bad swing, your emotions hijack your body. Tighter grip, faster tempo, forced shots, and a mind that won't let go. Your faith-based identity never calls you to performance-based worth. It calls you to faithful pursuit and steady focus. Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Paul Callaway, and welcome to another episode of The Champion's Code. It's true. Perfection is a myth, and progress is the assignment. Philippians 3 verses 12 through 14 said it plainly. He hadn't arrived, but he kept pressing forward. That's the model, not flawless, just faithful. When you anchor your identity to outcomes, you lose your peace. If your confidence rises and falls with your score, you've made golf a verdict on your value. That's unstable. God's peace is meant to guard your heart and mind, especially under pressure. Philippians 4 verses 6 and 7. When your mind is protected, your swing can stay free. The best players aren't perfect, they're resilient. They miss shots, then respond. They don't worship the last hole. They return to the next shot. Proverbs 24 verses 16 says, "The righteous may fall, but they rise again." Resilience is not optional, it's the separator. Sometimes perfectionism hides behind good intentions. I just want my best score today. I need to prove I've improved. If I avoid mistakes early, I'll be fine. But then it shows its real face. Overanalyzing mechanics mid-round, emotional reactions to every miss, replaying bogeys for holes afterward, constantly tweaking instead of trusting. And here's the trap. Perfectionism makes you more inconsistent, because the moment you miss, you start trying to control what can't be controlled. We need to redefine success to be the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. It changes everything. Instead of asking, "Was I perfect?" ask, "Was I present for this shot? Did I commit to my routine? Did I respond well after mistakes? Did I compete with gratitude and joy?" That's how you stay steady. Colossians 3 verses 23 says, "Whatever you do, do it with your whole heart, focused, sincere, and anchored." Here are 5 ways to escape the perfection trap in your golf game. Number 1. Normalize mistakes. They're part of the game. Realize that falling isn't the issue, but staying down when you fall is. Proverbs 24 verses 16. 2. Focus on process, not score. Your routine is your refuge. Guard your mind with what's true and excellent. Philippians 4:8. 3. Use a reset ritual. Breathe. Release. Choose the next shot. Don't be anxious. Bring it to God and return to peace. Philippians 4 verses 6 and 7. 4. Practice self-control in your self-talk. A gentle tongue is life. Harsh words crush the spirit. Proverbs 15 verse 4. Talk to yourself like a champion. And 5. Celebrate resilience. You got back up. You stayed committed. That's strength. Perfectionism isn't just conscious, it can be a subconscious program. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of not being enough. That's why coaching can help you retrain your automatic responses. So calm, trust, and presence become your default. You don't need to be perfect to be great. You need to be present. Perfection is a moving target. Presence is available on every shot. If you want help building a calm, confident, resilient mental game, book a complimentary golf mental game strategy call. Let's make relaxed, focused play your new normal. I'll leave the scheduling link for you in the description below. And I hope you will like, subscribe, and share this with a golfer who's trapped in perfection. Be sure to comment present if you're choosing process over pressure. This is Dr. Paul Callaway. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing back here again for the next episode of The Champion's Code.
You have the drive, but are you missing the foundation? At Limitless Success Mentoring, we help entrepreneurs, athletes, and professionals achieve the extraordinary. Dr. Paul Callaway uses faith-based principles and proven success laws to help you break through barriers and find your true identity. It's time to stop striving and start building from abundance. Visit limitlesssuccessmentoring.com today to get started.